All right, shifting our focus now, Japanese Prime Minister's warm relationship with the U.S. President has now been under the spotlight ever since Donald Trump endorsed Sanae Takaichi during Japan's elections. That was in February this year. Since then, the ties between both the countries have grown in warmth and friendship. But will that be impacted now? That is the question being asked.
The question arises after U.S. slapped sanctions on the President of International Criminal Court, who is a Japanese jurist. Tomoko Akane finds herself at the receiving end of sanctions amid a broader tussle that the United States has with the ICC. The U.S. has also sanctioned Abdoulaye Seye, a senior ICC trial lawyer from Senegal.
Well, Japan's Prime Minister, remember, has reacted to this development, calling it unfortunate. Takaichi also said that the country will be communicating with the United States on this action that it has undertaken. Before Takaichi's statement, Japan's foreign ministry also condemned the move and defended the ICC for its role in prosecuting serious crimes and upholding international law.
Regarding the sanctions over International Criminal Court's Chief Tomoko Akane, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has just issued a statement, and we find the situation very unfortunate. We will deal with this matter by continuing to communicate with relevant countries, including the United States.
A statement has also emerged from the Hague-based court. ICC has slammed these sanctions by Washington, calling it an attack on the independence of a judicial institution. The statement reads, and I quote, "These sanctions are a flagrant attack against the independence of an impartial judicial institution. Such measures targeting judges, prosecutors and staff undermines the rule of law." U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio accused the two officials of supporting ICC efforts to investigate, arrest, detain or prosecute officials from countries that have not consented to the ICC jurisdiction. Rubio described the ICC as a corrupt and fatally politicized court. Washington says the ICC's actions threaten U.S. sovereignty.
Well, the latest American sanction is largely being seen as a response to the ICC prosecution and the issue of the arrest warrant against Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The ICC had issued the arrest warrant in 2024 over Israel's war crimes in Gaza. The Trump administration has publicly condemned the ICC's legal proceedings against Netanyahu several times.